This will be an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. Got this from the Apple store earlier. I was actually late for my appointment, so they made me wait in this different line. Had to wait a little bit, but really wasn't too long for wait. These don't come with chargers anymore, so they're trying to be a little bit more efficient with their boxing, etc. So, and just to compare, this is the iPhone SE 2020 box. So have a look. So it's that much thinner. And actually I have another iPhone 12 box here. So have a look. It's about what? Do I have a tab right here? No unboxing knife necessary on this one. Throw that to the side. This is the graphite one. I tried to get the blue Pro, but asking the guy over at the Genius Bar, and he was like, oh, look at that. He was like, yeah, everybody got the blue one. We're sold out. Whew. We'll put the phone to the side for now, and then you get your USB Type-C to Lightning cable. Now, it would have been nice to get a C-to-C cable and have the actual port on the phone itself, also USB Type-C, but it's a step in the right direction. And what's in here? Your SIM ejection tool, and what is this? Some information here. We'll throw that to the side. And then, of course, you do have your Apple decal to put on your friend's Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You put that to the side. Designed by Apple in Cali, West Side. Put that to the side. And nothing else in the box. Nice and straightforward. Here's the phone itself. There's nothing under here, right? Nope. They're not like Samsung. Try to hide stuff. Put that to the side. That to the side. Ooh. This is nice. This is the graphite one. Check out this frame. Oh, I didn't realize that the chrome, or that the frame here is actually kind of like a black chrome. Look at that. Wasn't expecting that. I thought this was a matte finish, but that's actually pretty nice. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. I thought it was matte, but no, it's chrome, black chrome, kind of sick. The back of the phone is matte though, so fingerprint test. Should be all right with the fingerprints. All right, we'll go ahead and turn this bad boy on. It does have a charge right from the factory. Yup, I sure hope so. All right, so what are we dealing with here? We have a 6.1-inch display. Resolution is 1170 by 2532. Apple with their weird resolutions. Apple A14 Bionic chip, 6 gigs of RAM for this year, 2815 mAh on the battery. Display is a Super Retina XDR OLED with HDR10, brightness at 800 nits to 1200 nits at the max. Has Dolby Vision, and the glass they're saying is 4 times more resistant now, infused with some ceramic, so that's quite interesting. Comes with iOS 14 out of the box. This particular phone is a 128GB model. Now the cameras, we'll have a look right here. Check that out. So we have a 12 megapixel f1.6 with a 26mm wide angle view with a 1.4 pixel size optical image stabilization. The telephoto lens is also a 12 megapixel shooter at f2.0. Also has OIS with a 2x optical zoom on that one. Now the ultra wide lens is a 12 megapixel shooter as well at f2.4, 120 degrees on the viewing angle. This phone does also have a LiDAR scanner, which is pretty cool. Dual LED flash, and now in the video, this thing can film at 4K resolution, of course, at 24, 30, or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 60, 120, or 240 frames per second. It has 10-bit HDR and Dolby Vision HDR up to 60 frames per second. Front-facing camera, we'll have a look right here. It's a 12 megapixel shooter up front at f2.2. And the video on the front facing is you can film at 4K, 2430 or 60 frames, 1080p, 3060, 120 frames. And of course, it does have stereo speakers. This particular phone is the graphite model. It also comes in silver, gold, and the sold out Pacific Blue, which I actually tried to swap this one for the Pacific Blue. They didn't have any, so it is what it was, or is. Cool, man. iPhone 12 Pro. Very nice. We'll go to the setup right now. English. And then what is this? United States? Yes, I am in Murica. And then here we go. Quick start. Set up manually. We'll go ahead and choose my network here. Gonna enter my password. Next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Now this is an unlocked model, so there is no SIM card in here. Continue. Face ID. Set up later in settings. Create a passcode. I'm gonna bypass all this for now. Don't use passcode. Don't use passcode. Now my recommendation, of course create a passcode, but for now I just want to get into the phone, Don't transfer apps and data on this one. Apple ID. All right, looks like I gotta log in. So let me do that real quick. Right, I'm in. It's gonna take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So I'm gonna let the phone do its thing right now. Enter passcode for other iPhone. I'm gonna do that right now. Here we go. Express settings. Continue. Keep your iPhone up to date. Continue. And then Siri, set that up later. Screen time, get a weekly report. We'll do that later. App analytics, don't share. Don't want to share anything. True tone display, see without. This is with, without. I don't know, to be honest, kind of like it without. Continue. Appearance, gotta go dark mode, right? Of course. Continue. Display zoom, go standard on this one. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. And we are in. All right, man, let's go to settings real quick. So let me just go over there right now. All right, went to iPhone storage real fast. And right out of the box now, this is the 128 gig model. 14.1 gigs used, so 128 minus 14. Do the math, that's how much storage you get. New quick take video, continue. All right, let's take a picture of whatever's in front of me. So take a picture of this, take a picture of this. Have a look. Yeah, I got it. Looks pretty good. All right, let's take more pictures. Let's go. Alright, this is a quick video from the iPhone 12 Pro. This is filming in 4K 30, so let me know the quality. So here's the Tesla, so you can see. Now this is just a 1x zoom. Now I'm gonna go ultra wide, half X right here. So take a look at that. See much more in the shot. Very nice. And then this is the 2x optical zoom. So I'll give you an idea how much you can zoom in. Alright, cool. Back to the 1x. So I'm just out here, kind of chilly out here right now. But it's all good. Just gonna pan over here. Let me know how this looks. Now I'm gonna go up. As you can see right there, that is the moon. And then, see, that's the moon. And that's actually right there. That's Jupiter. That's Saturn right there. And I'm gonna go over here. See that right there? That is Mars. It's kind of red. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm gonna try to get in here. This is the 2x. See that right there? That is Mars. Shout out to my Martians. Cool. And then I'm gonna go to the moon right there. Kind of wish that light wasn't there. See if I can block that out. There you go. See Jupiter and Saturn on the right. And that's the moon right there. Sick. All right, check out that 5.0. Oh no, it's the 5.0. Now this is 6x optical, or not 6x optical, it's the digital zoom. Go up to 6x in the video. Go back out, this is the 1x. Pan over here. So yeah, man, let me know how this looks. It's pretty sick. All right, man, let's go. I have to say, my first impressions of this phone, just kind of like the feel in the hand, feels really good to hold. Now they're going back to this square kind of design, kind of reminiscent of the iPhone 4 from back in the day. And I have to say, holding this phone, since it's flat, I hold it like this and there's more surface area for my finger to grab onto, and it feels really good. I don't think I'm gonna drop this phone. Feels really solid, feels really good in the palm of my hand. iPhone 12 Pro, this is the iPhone SE 2020, so size comparison. Have a look, and we'll take a look at the display. Kind of compare that. Wow, look at that. Not even a comparison. This is old school, man. All right, so I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max from last year. So have a look. And if you guys are wondering, I will also be getting the 12 Pro Max. I just don't have it yet. So anyway, here's a comparison of these two. Put that down. And then also, this is the iPhone 12, regular iPhone 12. Yikes, what happened to this phone? Well, I did a drop test, so I'll link to that video up in the cards right now if you want to look at it. But yeah, this is the comparison. Here's the front. And the display here kind of sort of works, sometimes it doesn't. And of course, I have the S20 from earlier this year. So have a look at this comparison. And then I'm gonna flip it over, compare the display. Have a look. So that's the S20 Plus. And then the Google Pixel 5. Have a look at this. The display, have a look. We'll flip the phones over in the back, kind of compare that. Similar camera placement on both. Cool, man. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the iPhone 12 Pro. Is speed tests, durability tests, camera tests, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.